whipping winds could be felt in the North Country on Sunday. At times so strong they had ski lifts rocking, which forced Cannon Mountain to close early for the day.
Yesterday, you'd never guess it right now, but yesterday, razor sharp sunny skies. We had about 4,000 people here.
It also caused some problems for people in that area, leaving about 100 customers without power. And that number will likely rise as we go into the night when the wind starts to really push through the entire state.
The greatest concern with this storm is those strong winds picking up tonight and into tomorrow, especially tomorrow afternoon.
Caitlin Woods with Eversource says the company has been keeping a close eye on this storm, and they're beefing up resources to deal with outages.
We have more than 225 line, tree, and service crews ready to respond to any outages that happen and restore power to our customers as quickly and safely as possible.
And it's the same situation at Unitil.
We actually reached out. We got third-party crews. We got some in from as far away as Canada. Our plan is to open up our emergency operations center at 6 a.m. We'll have additional crews staged in all areas.
Wind gusts pushing over 40 miles per hour could bring some challenges for field crews.
If you think of a typical bucket truck, it has that arm that comes up and extends up into the pole. When you get up to around 30 miles an hour, it becomes unsafe to extend that bucket. So we could have situations during the middle of this wind event where it becomes unsafe for us to restore power.
And Unitil and Eversource just reminding folks to have flashlights, fresh batteries, and anything else you may need if you were to lose power. Now, in the meantime, you can see here behind me, the state is also sending a message to drivers that the winter storm is coming and to watch your speed. They're asking folks just to take it easy as you head out on the roads tomorrow. We're live here in Manchester. I'm Tim Callery, WMUR News 9.